2005, I was honored by the world bartending community when it embraced the release of the Flair Code DVDs. I had a set of 4 training DVDs that covered an array of Flair moves, drink-making tutorials, and competition preparation. That, of course, followed the phenomenal worldwide reception of the Flair Code Flair bottle. That was 15 years ago. So now, Mad Mixologist 2020, a sequel to my Flair Co. work, inspired by the great works of mixologists in the past whose shoulders we stand on. We're gonna work with mixology, Flair, great magic tricks, and then collaboration. I'm about to bring you 30 years of being behind bars. I'd have got out on good behavior had there been any. I'm Dean Serneels. This is the Mad Mixologist. Some people say my techniques are crazy. I think they're mad. Here's my very favorite cocktail of all time. I've been making it for 20 years. Matt Jones actually helped me develop it over time. And as I have found better ingredients, I've improved the cocktail. Serneels. This is the Mad Mixologist. Some people say my techniques are crazy. I think they're mad. Starting with some good quality, well-aged bourbon. I did 2 ounces of bourbon, half an ounce of 100% agave nectar, and a couple of dashes of chocolate bitters. The agave nectar can congeal sometimes if you pour it directly over top of ice. It's like honey, it gets really hard and you can't get the flavors out of it. Lots of ice. Putting the bowl of the spoon on the glass, pushing the bowl of the spoon. We're gonna make the spoon go up and down. There are fancier beakers and whatnot, but going along with my mixing glass mechanics, I want to show off how to make the cocktail right here in a mixing glass. Something to make it even smoother and perhaps a little more mad is to get a magic wand. Yes, this is Harry Potter's magic wand. One of the teachers at Gryffindor gave it to me. And as a little tribute, that's Gaz's finger. No, we're not going to shake this drink, we're just stirring it, getting that cold ice off the outside of the ice cubes. When I ask for this cocktail in a bar, I always say stir it forever and then a little longer. Make sure that we've dissolved it just perfectly. I want to put this down on the table in front of the guest when it's perfect. I don't want them to have to sip on it and wait until it gets better. I want it to be perfect when I put it down. Clear block of ice. Later on in this episode, we're going to discuss in great detail how to make perfectly clear ice for your bar. Straining over that perfectly clear ice cube. Beautiful. Orange zest. Again, later on in this episode, we're going to make this into 20 bucks. Watch. I'm just going to take a piece of this orange zest off of here. A couple of pieces. I want to show you something. A lot of bartenders like to take all of the zest right off of their oranges to make sure that there's no pith. Pith can actually add some bad flavors and bitterness. And then they try to flame with them. And it makes it very difficult because you're actually pushing the oils through the back as well as the front. All right. I'm going to heat the coin up a little bit. Run that around the outside of the rim and drop it right inside. The chocolate old-fashioned. I'm Dean Serneels, and this is the Mad Mixologist. Now, I do ask that you consider subscribing because that perfect ice cube in here was handcrafted with this in the next scene on the Mad Mixologist.